Welcome to Home Pantry Pro. Today we're diving deep into a kitchen gadget that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience, especially for those who love to entertain or simply enjoy a versatile way to prepare meals. We're talking about the COOKTRON portable induction cooktop with a 2-burner and a removable non-stick cast iron griddle pan. This isn't just another countertop appliance, it's a 2-in-1 powerhouse designed to be a functional replacement for traditional indoor grills and a flexible induction burner. Let's break down what makes this COOKTRON unit stand out. The core of this product is its 1800-watt dual induction cooktop. This means you get rapid and even heating across the entire surface, whether you're using it for frying pancakes, searing steaks, or cooking up a batch of breakfast sausages. The real magic happens when you combine it with the included removable cast iron griddle pan. This griddle is designed for serious cooking, offering excellent heat retention and distribution, crucial for achieving that perfect sear without burning. One of the most significant selling points here is the multifunctional temperature control. Unlike many portable electric grills that suffer from uneven heating, with hot spots in the middle and cooler edges, the COOKTRON uses a double-chip induction system. This ensures stable and consistent temperatures across the entire cooking surface. What's more, the left and right burners have independent controls. This is a game changer for meal prep, allowing you to fry your main course on one side while simultaneously simmering a sauce or keeping another dish warm on the other. You have a generous 9 power levels and 5 distinct temperature settings to cater to a wide array of cooking needs, from a gentle simmer to a high-heat sear. Now, let's talk about the griddle pan itself. It's made of cast iron, a material renowned for its durability and superior heat handling. The design incorporates 4 temperature control points on the bottom, further enhancing precise heat distribution. The company claims this setup reduces smoke by an impressive 95%, which is a huge plus for indoor cooking. This smokeless feature, combined with the even heating, contributes to a healthier and more enjoyable dining environment. A quick but important note here, and something they emphasize in the product details, is to allow the griddle pan to cool down completely after use before touching it to prevent any burns. Cleaning is often a major pain point with kitchen appliances, but the COOKTRON seems to have tackled this effectively. The induction cooktop and the grill plate are designed to be separated. The induction burner itself boasts a smooth glass surface that's incredibly easy to wipe clean with a damp cloth. The cast iron grill pan, with its non-toxic non-stick coating, is also designed for a residue-free cooking experience, meaning you won't be scrubbing away at stuck-on food. This ease of cleaning is a major convenience factor for busy home cooks. Safety is another area where this unit appears to have put significant thought. The total maximum power output when both burners are in use is capped at 1,800 watts, preventing overload. A child safety lock is a fantastic inclusion, offering peace of mind for families with young children. For those who like precise control, the 9 power levels range from 400 watts to 1100 watts in 100-watt increments, and the 5 temperature levels span from 248 degrees Fahrenheit to 410 degrees Fahrenheit in 36-degree increments. They do strongly recommend reading the instructions carefully before use, which is always good advice for any new appliance. So, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the pro side, the 2-in-1 functionality is a major advantage, offering both induction cooking and a grill. The independent controls for each burner and the precise temperature settings allow for great versatility. The smokeless griddle and easy cleaning are definite highlights. The safety features, particularly the child lock, are very welcome. However, it's worth considering potential downsides. While the griddle pan is removable, it's still cast iron, which can be heavy. For some, the total power of 1,800 watts might be a limitation if they're accustomed to higher-powered single burners or grills. And as with any new appliance, there's always a learning curve to master its full capabilities, as indicated by the manufacturer's recommendation to read the instructions. In conclusion, the COOKTRON portable induction cooktop with its integrated griddle pan is a compelling option for anyone seeking a multifunctional, efficient, and relatively mess-free cooking solution. It's ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, RVs, or simply for adding extra cooking capacity for parties and family gatherings. The combination of induction technology with a quality griddle pan, coupled with thoughtful safety and cleaning features, makes this a strong contender in the portable cooktop market. Link in the description.